Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never asked a password before. To fix it, click on this gear at the top. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Log into one of your apps and tap on Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other ones you need. To do that now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, select Save at the top right corner to add your password. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!